This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Richard Alpizar. This is it. Welcome home to this show-stopping, custom executive pool home by Marklen Homes in the Reserve at Heathrow. This sprawling floor plan contains 4 bedrooms, a media room, a office/den, an indoor/outdoor cabana with kitchenette, formal living, family room and formal dining room. The gourmet kitchen is fully stocked with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, solid wood cabinets with crown, tile backsplash and updated lighting. There is also a wet bar on the pass-through to the dining room and a super large walk-in pantry. The master suite is massive with double walk-in closets, a sitting area, tray ceiling and access to the covered lanai. The master bathroom has dual vanities, new coastal light fixtures, step-in shower with double shower heads and a garden tub under a bay window. Enjoy the gorgeous backyard oasis on the covered lanai overlooking the screened pool and spa. Grill burgers and dogs and crack a cold beverage in the indoor/outdoor cabana with the triple sliders. Original owners. This home shows a true pride of ownership. Transferable home warranty and termite bond within wall pest control. New main air conditioner 2020. Recent exterior and interior paint. Don't miss this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Richard Alpizar at 407-406-5331.